In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authenticator for Stripe. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is an extra layer of security that helps protect your Stripe account from unauthorized access. Instead of relying only on your password, Stripe will also ask for a second code that only you can access, usually from your phone. Let's walk through the setup step by step. First, open your browser and go to your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to secure. You should be on the main dashboard page where you can see your overview and activity. Next, look towards the top right corner of the dashboard for a small gear icon. This gear icon takes you to your settings. Click on it to open the settings page. On the settings page, find and click on the section labeled Personal Details or Profile for your user. This is where Stripe keeps all of your account-specific information, including your security settings. Within your personal details, look for an option related to authentication or security and click on Add Authentication Method. This is the place where you can add new ways to verify your identity when you sign in. Stripe will now show you a few different options, such as a security key, an authentication app, or a phone number. In this walkthrough, we're choosing the authentication app method. This works well with apps like Google Authenticator, Authy, or similar apps installed on your phone. Go ahead and select the Authentication app option. Stripe will display a QR code on your screen. Open your Authentication app on your phone, choose the option to add a new account, and select Scan QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your Stripe screen. The app will automatically add Stripe and start generating 6-digit codes for you. Once you've scanned the QR code, go back to Stripe and click on Continue to move to the next step. Stripe will now ask you to enter the verification code from your Authenticator app. Open the app, find the Stripe entry, and type the current 6-digit code into Stripe. Make sure to do this quickly, as these codes refresh every 30 seconds. After your code is accepted, Stripe will show you a backup code. This is extremely important. Save this backup code somewhere safe and offline, such as a password manager or a secure note. Once you've stored it, click on I have saved my backup code to confirm. Finally, click on Done. Your two-factor authentication method is now set up for your Stripe account, adding an important layer of protection to your business.